iMessage or text messages not working on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max, it says not delivered or message sent failure, then try these easy steps to fix both blue or green messages on your iPhone. The first thing that you need to do is ensure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi and also you have network receptions, or these network bars are full or has at least 3 bars. Both Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity is required for iMessage or SMS. Additionally, as outdated iOS can cause message sending issues, also make sure that your iPhone is running on the latest iOS. If the messages still won't send, then let's give our iPhone a forced restart. To do this, quickly press the volume up, then the volume down, and hold down the side button, and only let go after you see the Apple logo. Also keep in mind that to send text to a non-iOS device, you'll need to have an active plan on your SIM, and the SIM needs to be turned on. And to fix iMessage issues, what you can try doing is open Settings, go to Apps, then Messages, and from here, make sure iMessage is toggled on, and if it already is, toggle it off, wait for half a minute, and toggle it back on. Tap on Turn On from the pop-up, and from here you can also change Send and Receive method. For example, you can switch between numbers or iCloud account and see if that helps. If you're still having trouble sending messages via cellular data, for example if you don't have a good reception, you can also send SMS using Wi-Fi. So for that, first you need to turn on Wi-Fi calling. Just go back to the app settings and go to the phone app. Scroll down to calls, then open Wi-Fi calling and turn this on for the SIM that you're gonna use. And after that you can go back to the messages app settings, scroll down and enable send as text messages. And while you're here, also check the blocked contact list just in case you have blocked someone by mistake. And lastly, from the same page, if you're having trouble sending images, turn on Send Low Quality Photo Previews. This may be irrelevant, but can help fix the issue. And lastly, if you have RCS chat enabled, this can sometimes cause your messages to bug out. So simply disable RCS messaging, and after that you won't have any trouble sending messages. In case you're still having any kind of issues, then the last thing that you can try doing is open Settings, go to General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This won't erase any data on your iPhone, and will only delete your Wi-Fi connections. You can also try resetting all settings, as sometimes this can also help. And that's all I have for you. Hope this helped you out, and stay tuned for more.